Hello friends, today we are going to show you an amazing project on three motors. Here you see, we have taken a board and we have taken three motors, motor number 1, motor number 2 and motor number 3. And we have three propellers, propeller number 1, propeller number 2 and propeller number 3. Now we will try to connect all the motors in parallel connection. Now I will show you the simplest method to show how to connect parallels all the three motors in parallel connection. For parallel connection, what we do, you have to take three connecting wires. You see here, black, right, and three connecting wires, red. How to connect all the three motors in parallel connection, that I am going to show you. First of all, what we do? First of all, connect these wires with the one terminal of the motor. You see here, we have connect this motor with this one, that is one motor connected with these connecting wires, right? And the second one also, I am connecting the middle motor right, and this is the simplest method to join three motors in parallel connection. And here you see, this is the third wire. I am connecting the third wire with the third motor, right. Now you see, if we connect all these three wires in a junction, that way you see here, we are connecting all the three motors, three wires, connecting wires in a junction. You see here, 1, 2, right. You see here, we connected all the three wires at a junction, right. In the same way, if we connect the red wires the same way, same process, then you see how we are connecting with each other, right. The first one, if we take this one, if we connect the other terminal of the motor with this connecting wires, or what we call it as lead. First of all, you see, we have connected this red one with this one, and this is the simplest method to connect three motors in parallel connection. You see here, this is the first where I am connecting with the first motor, right. Here you see, we are connecting with the other terminal of the first motor, right. And you can see that we have another wires, this one, right. We are connecting this red wire with the third motor. You see here, this is the third motor and we are connecting it with this one, right. Now if we connect all the three wires at a junction, you see here how to make junction. This is the middle connector. You see, if I connect it here, and if we connect this wire in the junction, we are making a junction of three wires at this point. You see here, this is a junction of three wires at this point, right. And this is a junction of three wires at this point. Now if we give supply power to this, let us see whether it is working or not, right. Let us see how it works, right. Here you see, we are going to give a power to this. We have connect this with the positive terminal of this one. Here you see, here we are connecting it with this one, right. We are connecting this with the positive terminal of this one. See here, positive, this is junction, and here also you see that this negative terminal is connected with this junction, and this is what we call it as parallel connection. Now we'll see whether it is working or not. This is what we call it as parallel connection, right. Here you see, Here you have given negative terminal, this is the positive terminal, and you have connected all these three fans in parallel connection. Now we'll see whether it is working or not. Let us switch on and let's see whether all the three fans are working in parallel connection or not. Ready? 1, 2 and 3. Yes, it is working. You see here all the three fans are rotating, right? You can see here that all the three fans are rotating, and this is what we call it as parallel connection, right? In this way you can make a project for the summer project or project for science at home very easily. Again I am telling you how to make these three motors: motor number 1, motor number 2 and motor number 3, right? Here you see we have connected this wire, and make a junction here, right? In the same way with this red wire we connected here, this way you connected this one and we connected this one and make a junction at another point, that is this one, right? And we are connecting the positive terminal here and the negative terminal here, and you see these are connected in parallel connection. In this way you can make a project of parallel connection of three motors, and you see all the three motors are running very efficiently, right? You can, in this way you can make motors at home very easily. You see here how it is working. All the three fans are working together, and this is what we call it as parallel connection, right? This is a very easy connection and you can make it at for science project or for your school project, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Again we are trying whether it is working or not. You see here there are three fans motors: motor number 1, motor number 2 and motor number 3, and all the three phones are connected in parallel, right? All the three motors are connected in parallel, and we will see whether all the fans are working or not. Ready? 1, 2 and 3. Now if we connect the three fans and one LED light also, let us see whether it is working or not. Let's see once again. For that we have to take another wire and let us check whether the LED is also glowing or not. Let us check it whether all the three fans and light is also glowing or not, that we are trying to make this one also, right? Let us see whether it is working or not. Here you see we have taken another connecting wires, this one, and we have taken another connecting wires, this one, and let's see whether it is working or not. Here we have taken another connecting wires, right? And let's see whether it is, again if we connect this one, you see here we are connecting this wire at this junction and we are connecting with the positive terminal of this LED, right? And here you see we have connected this one with the negative terminal of the LED. This is the negative terminal, and if we connect it at the junction, let's see whether it is working or not. We have connected this with the junction here, and we will try whether it is working. All the three fans and LED is working or not. Let us switch on and let's see whether it is working or not. Yes, it is working, but it gives very less light. You can see it in dark mode, right? Here you see all the three fans are working and the LED is also glowing, but it is very much less. You can see here that if you see it in the dark mode, you can see that the LED is also glowing. See here. You can see also that the LED is also glowing and the three fans are working together in parallel connection. This is the parallel connection. You can make it at home. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. All the three fans are working and the LED is also working. In this way you can make parallel connection very easily, right? Now if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. You can see here that all the three fans are working together and the LED is also glowing in parallel connection. This is the easiest method to make a parallel connection of three metals and an LED, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video again.